Good morning, world. Happy Saturday. Well, I guess it's Sunday when you watch it, but happy Saturday to me. Anywho, Saturday, so we're gonna actually spend the weekend doing stuff we want to do. First off, gotta get Mama Badger around. We're gonna go to the farmer's market. We haven't been to the farmer's market in ages and ages, but the older I get, the more I seem concerned about what is put in and on my food. So we try to stay away from processed food, but we're gonna go to the farmer's market and check it out today. And then tonight, we're gonna do something we haven't done in a long time. We're actually gonna go to a movie theater. My buddy Brian and his girl Christina, they are wanting to go see the new Mad Max movie. So we're gonna go check it out in theaters tonight. So that should be a great time, hanging out with our friends. Gotta hang out with our friends and all before we leave, because we'll be gone for months and won't get to see them. So I think we're spending this weekend and next weekend with them. So should be an awesome time. No, this weekend after next with them. Anyway, something like that. Anywho, I've got to get some coffee, get Mama around, then you can go to the farmer's market with us. Let's go. All right, we scored. Farmer's market was a success. We got bags and bags full of goodies. Goodies. Look at all this stuff. There's everything you could possibly want here. From
nice big
authentic Polish food to CBD to real raw, fresh cold pressed juice, empanadas, fresh eggs. And this is just one tiny little section of it. There's a whole section over there with music. I mean, where do you go to a farmer's market and you have live music?
what we got.
What do we get? We got lots of veggies. So we got broccoli and cauliflower, bananas, squash, zucchinis.
What was the other big squash?
Spaghetti squash.
Spaghetti.
We're going for it.
From back to blue, and then they charge them 100 times. What can we charge you?
We don't want to die crossing the street here.
From back to blue, and then they charge them 100 times. What can we charge you? Isn't that
And they've got that stuff out here too.
Are we Banana Republic now?
Anyway,
Kinda.
all done shopping. Time to go back home, start some motorcycle projects.
No, not for me.
What do you start?
House.
House
Cleaning the
projects.
house.
I'll stick to the motorcycle projects.
I'm giggling because he has no idea I'm doing this, but he went inside the shipping post where we get our mail to see if we've got mail, and I was like, I think Karen sent a check. She had something coming our way, so I'm curious to see what it is.
All right, guys. I don't know what Angie told you about this, but we've got the package at home, and Angie is ripping it open right now. What you got? What you got? What you got?
Canvas place.
From a canvas place?
Yeah.
I got you.
I have a feeling this is.
I hope it's not like a naked picture of us or something.
I recall like her saying there's something we should make a big picture out of this or something. I wonder if that's what she's, and I can't remember what it was, but
I'll open it up. It looks like there's multiple ones there.
yeah, there is.
Okay.
Look
Let's
what
see
she
it.
did.
I can't say look at what she did, but I can't because
Look,
I don't
there's
know.
like me, like really big.
That's Angie enlarged.
There I am. Look at that.
All right.
Oh goodness. So this one, I guess there's two, and the next one's you.
Probably.
I'm like doing this wrong. Ah, this is from the pig trail. That's what it was in Arkansas.
Yeah.
That's what it was. She was like, I need to blow that up for size.
Did I get my tongue out too? Look at that.
Yeah.
That's awesome. It's the badger in the wild. And the mama badger in the wild. All right, let's see your whole picture here.
There's all.
Look at you with your little pink. That's awesome.
That's the picture I think Shannon took. She's the photographer there in Arkansas.
Cool.
So that's great.
Thanks, Karen. We love it. We have the best friends.
Right? Great surprise.
All the way from Ireland, she made that happen. What do you think?
This is great. Where are we gonna put them?
Oh yeah.
That to decide next.
All right. We actually got a little rain today here in Florida. We need it so bad. Like, we are dry. People are complaining that their wells are going dry. So, I mean, we have a well, but it's only for our sprinklers. We are on city water otherwise. But like everybody, really needs some rain. So I think this is a welcomed thing. I'm out in the garage. It's time for projects. My first project, I'm gonna get Mama Badger a new grip on here. I put this off because I dread this. I just hate changing these. Not because it's hard, it's just kind of a tedious, like, pain in the ass, especially putting the cables back into the new hand grip. Just a pain in the ass. I don't like pain in the ass, tedious work. But anyway, let's get it on and get it done. All right, a day in the shop complete. Now it's time to go take a shower, get ready to go out with Brian and Christina, grab some food, go check out a movie. I'm excited. It's been a long time since I've been to the movies, and then I'm gonna go in another couple weeks, so it should be awesome. Mama Badger has a new hand grip. There she is. And then last year on Route 66, I dropped my bike, and when I did, I broke off one of these. And then Mama dropped her bike, and she broke off one of those. So we got her this new setup, and I decided to take the two. So I basically took, she had one left and I had one left, and I took those two and I made them a whole set and put them back on my bike. Because when you're riding long distance, it's nice to be able to move your feet around. So I will put my feet on the back pegs and then stretch out on the highway pegs. So it'll be good to have that back. Anywho, it's been a full day, right? Farmer's market, work in the shop, and then tonight with Brian and Christina. I'm ready. Go take a shower and get going. All right, guys, we are back. We went out to eat. We went and watched the new Mad Max movie. Quick review for the Mad Max movie. I dug it. So lots of motorcycles, lots of rat rods, lots of rat bikes. Like I told Brian, I said, it's like the Fast and Furious meets the desert, because that's what it is. So it's action-packed, and like I said, just tons of really cool vehicles. I can tell you this much, not a single vehicle was electric. Not a one of them, if that tells you anything. But anyway, awesome cars, motorcycles, which made the entire movie for me. The story was okay, but there was cars, motorcycles, mechanical shit, and I enjoyed it. So if you're into that kind of stuff, definitely go check out the new Mad Max. It's definitely worth going and watching. Or when it comes out on video, make sure you watch it. Anywho, that's it, guys. What a full day. It's like 10 o'clock at night. I gotta get this video done so I can go to bed and get up, and we got yard work to do tomorrow. We got the other half of the yard to do before we head off on our wild road trip. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.